Hi there, this is Andy Trolman's How to Do It. How to Do It with Andy Trolman. Today, we're going to learn how to build a table. We like to think anybody can make a table, and if you just have the right resources. Tables are a wonderful thing you can use for all sorts of purposes. Today, we're going to make a kitchen table, one that you put in your dining area. Here we have different kinds of tables. This one's made out of 2x4s. 2x4s you can get any old place. You can find them, take them from old houses being built. But then there's this kind here. This is just like another stronger wood. Hardwood is always best for a table because it used to a lot of abuse. We'll talk about the different joints and there's different processes of doing joints. You got butterfinger, you got dovetail, fishtail, and we'll tell you all about that. We got our wood here. We've got everything we need. If we're missing something, we'll go to the hardware store. So yeah, well, thank you for coming, and well, let's just get to it. Welcome back. I'm going to show you the tools we use now. Measuring tape, clamps, another clamp. We'll need to clamp the wood when we use wood glue. This is number 3. Got a square up, and I got screws. These are like 2-inch wood screws. This should be the trick. Now this is very important. I wanted to show you this. This here is my miter saw. We're going to use this right now, and it's I measure. Most people don't really know how to use a miter saw, so I thought I'd take a moment while making this table and show you properly how to do that. A lot of people get this wrong, and I just want you guys to get it right. So pay attention, because I'm going to show you something really important that a lot of I'm amateurs don't do right. So let's take a look at this out. Put your arm on. Now, I'm going to show you, you don't want to cut on the line, you want to cut next to the line. You want to go on the right side instead of the left. Now you see that? That was a clean cut. You don't want to stop early, it'll start chewing it up. And you don't want to have kickback. Now some thicker wood, like if you try to do this with pine, you'll be fine. But if you try to do this with maple, you might not be so lucky. But look at this. You don't want to go up and right up. You want to go sideways, flat on the end. Now let me show you how not to do it. Oh, now look at this. Never do this. Oh, that makes the world of difference. Well, I kind of finished the table, and the camera was off most of the time, unfortunately, but here it is. I did it, and I think it turned out pretty well. This was an older 90s table, much like your parents had, and really terrible. It's got like a butcher block style, and sorry about that. There was I have a cat. Cat was about. Anyway. But to keep it up, clean it regularly, but also I put this wax on it. I put this wax on about every, annually, year round. And it's good, smells good, and you put it on about annually, year round. And you could do it twice. It's been How to Do It with Andy Trolman. See you later.